Hey guys, Cindy here. Welcome back to the channel. This week we're going to stay at the Boardwalk and I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 expert tips that I tell all of my clients if you're staying at an Epcot adjacent hotel that you need to know and you should do. So if that sounds like fun, keep on watching. Tip 1, if you can, get to the resort early. We just checked in. It's about 11:45 here. It's about 11:45 local time, and our room is already ready. So we're going to check in, and we're going to get to enjoy the resort all day long instead of showing up at the last minute, 4 o'clock. So, yeah, so check in early. That's tip number 1. Alright guys, number 2 thing you have to do if you're staying at the Boardwalk or any of the Epcot adjacent hotels is book a fancy dinner. There's so many amazing dining opportunities, not only in Epcot and World Showcase, but also in the surrounding hotels. We're actually going to go to Monsieur Paul tonight, which is like the creme de la creme, so that's going to be super fun. If you're looking for a great steakhouse, Shula's, which is at the Swan and Dolphin, or any of the amazing dining that we have at World Showcase. Fancy dinner, that's number 2. On our way to Monsieur Paul for our, like, I don't know, 8-course dinner. I don't know how many courses there are. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Guys, I created an amazing Walt Disney World packing list. It's a must-have. Get it down below. It's totally free. And by the way, we would be honored to help you with your next Walt Disney World vacation. That's exactly what our company does. I'll link our company information down below. Feel free to reach out so we can give you a hand on your next vacation. Number 3, if you're staying at the Boardwalk, don't forget to use the available transportation. There are the friendship boats that will take you to and from the park. And then my favorite, the Skyliners, that will actually take you over to Hollywood Studios. So much fun. We're actually going to jump on it now. If you want to come for a ride, let's do it. Bella just said she hopes we get a Skyliner with flavor. What does that mean, Bella?
I just like one that has a cool character on it.
Okay, let's see what we get. Guys, here's where you can go with the Skyliner. Riviera, Caribbean Beach, Art of Animation, Pop Century, and Hollywood Studios.
And refrain from smoking in the cabins.
Bella, yours is right here.
Yes.
That would be very fitting for our French theme. Thank you. So, Bella, how do you feel about this one we got?
I'm sad because it wasn't a flavorful one.
We got a boring, no character Skyliner.
But we didn't get our own.
Yes. Yeah, we have one. Okay, here we go for the takeoff. Oh, man. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Whee! Not when I should tell you I hate the Skyliners. I'm so afraid of them.
They're fine.
Oh, scary. Why does it feel so windy?
Because the vents.
Oh, I don't like it.
It's okay.
Okay guys, tip number 4, if you're staying at an Epcot area hotel or the Boardwalk where we're staying, make sure you schedule a pool day. You're spending all the money to be at a deluxe property. You want to make sure you have some fun time and some leisure time. After all, it is vacation, so don't forget to take some time for pool time. Alright guys, tip number 5, don't forget to budget time to spend at the boardwalk. If you're staying at one of the Epcot area hotels, you're missing out if you don't have some fun on the boardwalk. They have everything from family bikes to amazing dining to ice cream shop, all kinds of fun stuff, and sometimes you can even see the fireworks over the hotel from Epcot if you're here during firework time as well, so don't forget that. Fun. I just like to start mine directly on fire.
That's about the only way you can.
Yeah.
All right, good, I got it.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. I hope you've enjoyed all of our tips that we're bringing you about the 5 things you don't want to miss if you're staying at Epcot area hotels. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see amazing travel videos from all over the world. We'll see you guys next time. I got the marshmallows stuck to my shirt. Well, we're staying at the boardwalk. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Okay. Behind the scenes, why are those birds chirping so loud?
And that boat.
And the boat. I will dance.
Yeah.
Chicken Little, how's that song go? The Running Man.
Stop.
Stay in with the sticks. I'm so sorry. It is a rule.
You better stay in with those sticks. You're gonna get in trouble with the Disney police. Do not take the sticks out of the circle. I totally got marshmallow on my boob. Any of the Epcot area hotels. So we're gonna make that slight adjustment. Did you want to add something to the video?
What up?
Hey guys, Cindy Williams here. If you like that last video, make sure you check out all of the other content on our channel. And if you want to follow along and travel with me around the world and see how I run my amazing travel brands and get some great tips on how to grow your own, make sure you check out that other content. I'm going to drop a couple videos here. Click those links. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.